The Ford F-150 sold over 400,000 units this year. I've personally replaced the engine on 3 of them this month alone. And it's not just Ford. Every best-selling car in America has a dirty secret. Dealers won't tell you until after you sign. I'm a 15-year mechanic, and today I'm exposing what really breaks on the cars everyone's buying. Let's go. Number 1 seller in America, the Ford F-150. And honestly, I see more of these in my bay than I'd like to admit. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, the one everyone wants, has what we call the death rattle. Those timing chains stretch, and when they do, you're looking at catastrophic engine failure. Real repair cost: $4,000 to $7,000 for a full engine rebuild. Sometimes more if you grenaded the whole thing. But wait, there's more. The 10-speed transmission? Harsh shifting, clunking, and it loves to hunt for gears. Dealers call it normal behavior. I call it a $3,500 transmission replacement waiting to happen. And here's the kicker: spark plug ejection on the 5.4-liter Triton. The threads just give up. If you're buying one, get a pre-purchase inspection focused on the timing chain noise and transmission behavior. Don't skip it. Chevy Silverado, 284,000 sold. And I've got 3 words for you: lifter failure nightmare. GM's 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter engines have a lifter and wrist pin problem that's so bad it's almost guaranteed. When it fails, and it will fail, you're not just replacing lifters, you're replacing the entire valve train, camshaft, sometimes the whole engine. Cost $5,000 to $10,000. Yes, you heard that right. The 8-speed transmission, shuddering, harsh shifts, and it loves to slip into limp mode replacement runs $2,500 to $4,500. Oh, and the 4-wheel drive selector module fails constantly. You'll be stuck in 2-wheel drive in a snowstorm wondering why you bought a 4x4 dealer response? It's normal engine noise. Until it's not, and your warranty conveniently expired 2,000 miles ago. Buying tip: listen for any ticking noise from the engine. Walk away if you hear it. Reliable Toyota. With a thirsty secret Toyota RAV4, nearly 240,000 sold. Everyone says Toyota reliability, right? Let me show you what they don't mention. The 2AZFE engine in older RAV4s burns oil like it's going out of style. We're talking a quart every 1,000 miles. Why? Piston ring design flaw. Toyota knew about it, issued a warranty extension, but good luck if you're outside that window. Cost to fix? Engine rebuild, $3,500 to $5,000. The newer models, transmission problems, hesitation, rough shifting, and the CVT in some trims just gives up around 100,000 miles. Replacement cost? $4,000 to $6,000. Here's what kills me. People buy these thinking they're bulletproof. Then, they're in my shop at 90,000 miles with a $5,000 repair bill. Shocked. If you're buying, check oil consumption religiously. Ask for service records. If they can't show regular oil top-ups, that engine is living on borrowed time. Honda CR-V, 212,000 sold. Honda reliability, they say. Tell that to my AC compressor graveyard. The AC compressor on these fails at an alarming rate, and when it does, it sends metal shavings through the entire AC system. You're not just replacing the compressor, you need the condenser, expansion valve, receiver dryer, and a complete system flush. Total cost? $2,000 to $3,000 for AIR conditioning. But here's the real controversy: the 1.5-liter turbo engine and oil dilution. Fuel gets into the oil, dilutes it, and destroys your engine's lubrication. Honda issued a software update and extended warranty. But the problem still happens. Long-term damage, engine wear, potential failure, rebuild or replacement. $4,000 plus check your oil level regularly. Yeah, that's the solution. Buying tip, smell the oil. If it smells like gasoline, run. Check AC function thoroughly. If it's weak, that compressor is dying. Ram 1500, 174,000 sold. That Hemi engine sounds great until it doesn't. Valve train noise, lifter failure, rocker arm problems. Call it what you want, it's expensive. What causes it? Lifters collapsing, camshaft wear, inadequate oil pressure. And Ram's solution? Use better oil. Thanks, guys. Repair cost? $2,000 to $4,000 for lifter and camshaft replacement. The transmission? The 8-speed loves to shudder, slip, and throw codes. Average repair, $684. But full replacement? $3,500 to $5,500. And here's the fun part. Electrical gremlins, random warning lights, infotainment crashes, backup camera failures, death by 1,000 cuts. 10-year ownership cost? Over $17,000 in repairs on average. Let that sink in. If you're buying, listen for any ticking from the engine. Test the transmission through all gears. Check every electrical feature twice. Toyota Camry, 155,000 sold. The go-to, reliable sedan, except when it's not. Newer Camrys with the 8-speed automatic? Transmission problems, hesitation, rough shifts, shuddering. Repair cost? $2,000 to $4,000 for transmission work or replacement. Emissions issues, sensor failures, catalytic converter problems. Engine rebuild? $4,000 to $5,500. Or you can keep dumping oil in it every month and hope it doesn't seize. Jeep Cherokee with the 9-speed transmission. Here's what happens. You're cruising at 40 miles per hour, and suddenly the whole car starts shuddering like it's possessed. That's the 9-speed transmission hunting for gears. The torque converter clutch is slipping, the valve body is failing, and Jeep's software updates? They don't fix it. Transmission replacement? $4,000 to $6,000. And here's the kicker. Extended the warranty on these transmissions because the failures were so widespread. If you're looking at a 2017 to 2019 Cherokee, budget an extra $5,000 for a new transmission or just buy a different SUV. If this just saved you from a $5,000 mistake, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment. Which car shocked you most? And I'll see you in the next one.